Hey, wait a minute. Y'all out here showing out. Come on, don't put it on now. I'll get a picture of the bikinis. Yeah, swag. To Thailand. All right, you guys, we're on Koh Larn Island. This Zoom Fest 2024, Koh Larn Island is going to be one of the excursions at the Zoom Fest. White sandy beaches and a 20-minute boat ride from Pattaya. This is what it looks like. All right, y'all. We out here on Koh Larn Island. Koh Larn Island, y'all. Live on Koh Larn Island. I know y'all sleep, but I had to show y'all what it looks like. So, this is a separate island off of Pattaya. So this is like the closest you're gonna get to Phuket when it comes to Pattaya. Show you the pretty blue water, the white sandy beach, and this is a 20-minute boat ride from Pattaya. The water's beautiful. Really chill spot. People coming through. Throw a little something for y'all to look at. It's a whole like city behind that mountain. It's a whole city over there, man. So this is just like the little front part, the little beach part, the little Planet of the Apes part, where you land on the beach. But on the other side of that mountain is a whole nother get there. I don't know if y'all remember the episode I did when the dude was on the little surfboard and he fell on his ass. Do you remember that? You all right, man? This is the island it happened at. But here's the difference. The last time Elle and I were here, there was nobody. Literally like probably 1/4 of the people that are here right now. It was lucky. And there definitely wasn't nobody out in the water like that. Definitely wasn't nobody in the water like that. But now, people are out, the kids are out. The Matrix virus is over. At least that's what they tell us. But yeah, man. So they got the jet skis, they got the private boats. They got the beautiful water. Y'all gotta see this water, man. How clear this water is. Y'all see how pretty clear this water is, man? And it's warm too. Watch, I'm gonna walk up in this joint. Oh yeah, that water feels good. This is what it looked like. And they got a big Buddha up there. Y'all see the big Buddha up there? You see him with the dome, with the chrome dome? And down there they got stores. Of course they got a 7-Eleven and all of that. And then they got see over here, you can do the jet ski rentals. They're not gonna sweat you. And ain't gonna be no police out here sweating you for your jet ski license. You can just get in, you know what I mean? Because it's an island, so you get to ride around the island. That's what Elle and I did. Just rented us a motorbike. We was off, just like that. So a lot of people that come to Pattaya, they ain't really up on this place. You know? They don't know about this little island. That one right there, that's a cool one right there. Y'all see that? Y'all can see it. When I zoom in, the camera gets kind of loopy. Of course, you can get your little souvenir. So now I'm back into where our thing is, where the black music is playing, and you know, YouTube gonna hit me, gonna tax me for the music. Little trunk back there. I ain't mad at a little trunk. Everyone around, swaggy guy. Look at a smile, happy smile on his face. Standing there. Y'all messed up, man. Swaggy guy, hey. Alright, y'all. We here. I'm working on my tan, you understand me? My tan popping. Yeah, for the talk that talk. Chat. Yeah. El Boogie in the building, y'all. Y'all see what it is. El, you see I'm getting my tan. I'm darker than you now. Nah, I'm dark. Be Batman. Say Batman. Hey. Tell him to save yourself, Batman.
Save yourself, Batman.
Yeah, man. So I'm working on my tan, man. You know what I'm saying? I'm getting ready. There goes Stacy. That's family right there. We're going to have an interview with Stacy coming up. We're going to get the perspective of a sister out here in Thailand. You understand? And when you talk about sister, she might be light skinned, but she black as they come. She black as they come. Yeah.
Saying you got to pay for it. That's something to do.
Right. Hey, there they go. Hey. All right, y'all, man. There wasn't enough dudes here, so they had to go out and find something. Y'all niggas didn't show up. See what these Thai ladies is doing. Hey. Wait a minute. They're right here showing out. Come on, don't put it on now. I'll get a picture of the bikini. Yeah, let's see what we got here. The Thai ladies up in here, y'all. What we got up in here? Hey. Okay, L. I'm about to say this for the Patreon. Dev, I might have to put this on the Patreon. And if you haven't joined yet, you should also consider joining our Patreon, where I can show you the things I can't show you on YouTube, as well as discounts on merchandise, consultations, throwback DJ mixes are made for you to listen, drive, and work out to. And most important, by joining the Patreon, you'll be able to get in direct contact with the Travel OG. You dig? Memberships start at $5 and you can cancel at any time. Oh yeah, and you might also want to join just to support your boy and keep the movement going. Appreciate y'all. Catch you on the next one. Make sure to like, subscribe, and notify. The algorithm is real.
Don't forget to subscribe for my channel.
You want to take this off? Let me help you. Take this off? You take it off? Oh, they got another Thai lady, man. They coming out. Hey, y'all scared. Uh-oh, there she go. All right. Y'all know what I'm about to say, right? Theme music.
Zoom to Thailand, hope you coming too. Richie Mac, travel OG with celebrity interviews. Get your passport, let's go. This is what you need for show. Brothers in Thailand and bikini babes at the beach. If you need more, he got it poppin'. Caddy of the day, we golfing. Really ain't a better option. Time to travel, like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Let's connect. Richie Mac, yeah, we steady vibing. Take a journey, let's get moving, cause we zooming right to Thailand. Hey, Richie Mac, travel OG, let's go.
And last but not least, man, if you guys have any clips or anything you want me to respond to, or anything that's going to keep the conversation going, enlightened, fun, educational, man, please email me, zoomtothailand@gmail.com. Zoom to Thailand is my official handle. Zoom to Thailand IG, Zoom to Thailand Patreon, Zoom to Thailand Cash App, Zoom to Thailand Gmail. Everything is Zoom to Thailand. So make sure you guys support the movement. Keep the love going. Love you guys. Thank you for the support. God bless, and I'll see you later. Peace.
Don't forget to subscribe for my channel.